If you are tired of spending hours manually chopping up your long-form videos, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to turn one single video into a massive library of ready-to-post clips using a systematic approach. First, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because these growth hacks are exactly what you need to scale your output without burning out. We are keeping this super practical today, focusing on how to slice, test, and schedule your content so you can finally set it and forget it. Imagine you have a long podcast episode or a webinar, and you need it to live on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts all at once. Instead of doing this manually, we are going to use the automation power inside Vizard to handle the heavy lifting for us. Step 1 is simple. Just create a new project and give it a really clear name so your entire team knows exactly what is inside. Think of this top-level project as the master container where every single one of your derived clips will eventually live. Next, go ahead and upload your long-form video directly into the platform. The software will automatically transcribe the video and highlight those high-energy viral moments that are perfect for social media. This auto-editing magic surfaces the best parts, but now we need to organize them for maximum testing efficiency. I like to structure my work by creating clip groups. Think of these like ad sets for your content. Within a group, you can let the AI generate a batch of clips based on themes like marketing hooks or specific audience questions. Here is the real trick. Instead of editing every single clip from scratch, just use the duplicate function. Click those 3 dots on the clip, hit duplicate, and suddenly you have an instant copy ready to customize. Why duplicate? Because you want to test different thumbnails, captions, and formats without ever losing the original piece. For your first hook, make one version vertical for TikTok, another horizontal for YouTube, and a third with different captions. Label everything clearly, like vertical caption top versus horizontal caption bottom, so your testing remains organized. This mirrors the ad buying logic many of you already know. Project equals campaign, clip group equals ad set, and the clip is the creative. Let's run through an example. You have a 45-minute podcast, and you've extracted 25 potential viral clips. You pick your best hook, rename it, add a custom thumbnail, and then duplicate it twice to try different caption styles. This simple workflow gives you 3 versions of the exact same moment, allowing you to see which one the algorithm actually prefers. If you want to target different niches, just create a new clip group and optimize the captions for those specific audiences. Small changes in your copy or your opening 3 seconds can move the needle more than you think. A quick pro tip: rename every single duplicate immediately after you create it, because it saves hours of headache later on. If you look at your project dashboard, you will see a clean structure of clip groups on the side and individual variations inside. Now, the best part: use the auto-schedule feature to queue all these clips without manually posting them yourself. Vizard asks for your frequency and preferred windows. Then it does the rest by staggering your posts for you. This prevents you from cannibalizing your own reach by accidentally posting 2 very similar clips back to back. Every scheduled clip lives on a master calendar, where you can simply drag and drop to change dates or reassign platforms. If a clip happens to underperform, just duplicate it, tweak the thumbnail or the opening hook, and re-queue it. It is essentially a production line for your short-form content, letting you test endlessly without the manual labor. You can even add creative layers like stickers or intro bumps and test those elements individually across your schedule. By week 2 of doing this, you will have actual hard data on which micro variables actually resonate with your audience. While other tools like Descript or CapCut have their place, they often lack the all-in-one system Vizard provides. Many editors force you to manually export, reformat, and upload to social media, which just kills your efficiency. Vizard's massive advantage is the combination of auto-editing, easy variation labeling, and a native scheduling engine. Financially, this is a massive win for creators who need to scale their presence without hiring a full team of editors. Let's recap. Create your project, upload, organize into groups, duplicate for variations, rename them, and schedule. It is a simple, repeatable loop that turns your long-form library into a high-volume short-form engine. Always remember to test small things, like changing a thumbnail or tweaking a caption, because that is where the growth happens. Treat these variations just like ad tests. Change one variable at a time so you know exactly what is working. If you have questions about any part of this workflow, drop them in the comments and I will personally help you out. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more deep dives into scripting, thumbnails, and growth. Now go get to work, start your first Vizard project, and watch how quickly you can scale your content. I will see you in the next video, where we break down even more secrets to faster, better content creation.